My name is Deepak Mishra, and I would like to say you namaste. My question is I am an Hindu, and I have married a Muslim girl in India, and inshallah, she will be here in Saudi Arabia in coming next month. You know what? When I told her that I'll be going to visit Dr. Zakir Naik's speech, so she told, please don't go to him. He says bad about Shias, and she's a Shia actually. So she told, no, don't go to him. And her mother-in-law also told, no, please, you don't go. If you go to him, he will tell you bad about Shia, and you will leave me. So that is the first doubt which I'm having in my mind. And the second thing is, I have a generic question in the sense that if we say that everything is God and everything belongs to God in Hindu and Muslim religion, so why God wants everybody of us to worship Him? Why is He created us in any forms of religion? When you talk about the creation, why is He created us? Why He wants us to worship? Why He wants us to take so much of pains to worship Him?